Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm super excited for this one. I will be decorating a bookcase. I started by laying out all the items that I purchased. I wanted to be able to see what I should arrange together so that it would look good, which items to group together, and how I would arrange according to color. So the first step is just to lay out everything that you have. This is a bookcase for a conference room, so I didn't want to go too over the top or be too glam. Even though glam is my style, I don't think it would be appropriate for this conference room. So I had to keep that in mind when I was picking items. I love the look of this bookcase and I'm ready to party, but I have to be careful not to overcrowd this thing. But on the other hand, I don't want it to look too empty as well. So it's a balance that I'm looking for. Like with most interior design, it's important to have a consistent color palette when you're styling your bookcase. I decided to go with gray, creams, browns, blacks, and I kept that consistent through the whole bookshelf. Don't be afraid to mix metallics and just take risks. All of the items purchased for this bookcase came from at home, with the exception of the globe and the artwork at the bottom. And I love at home. It's just a one-stop shop. It's so much there, a big variety for different styles, and I just love that store. Check them out if you haven't. You want a mix of shapes and textures in your bookcase. I switch things up quite a bit. Don't feel bad about doing that. Styling is an ongoing process, and rearranging is part of it. I took several pictures using my phone just to see visually how this looked. That's a tip for you too. Use your phone, take pictures so you can really see what's going on. This is only part one of decorating this conference room. I will be showing you the entire process, so stay tuned. This is me just changing a few things. It's okay to switch things around. This is the finished result. I love how it turned out. Again, this is just part one of this process. Be on the lookout for more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.